Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and picking the exact spot. Check that your router provides a stable 2, 4 or 5 GHz signal where the camera will sit, and gather the mount, power adapter, screws, anchors, and a drill. Once done, hold the camera at your chosen height, typically 5 to 7 feet, so motion and face framing are optimal. Make sure you avoid HVAC vents and direct sun. This reduces false motion and exposure problems and speeds up setup. Now you'll secure the mount and connect power. Use the mount template or the base to mark 2 screw points, then drill pilot holes and insert anchors for drywall or masonry. Attach the bracket tightly so the camera won't shift, then snap or screw the camera into place. A firm connection prevents drift. Next, route the power cable along trim or use adhesive clips, plug into a tested outlet, and confirm the camera lights up. This verifies stable power before software setup. Finish by setting up the camera in the Google Home app and validating the installation. You'll add a new device, scan the QR code on the camera, and follow pairing prompts. Make sure the camera connects to the correct Wi-Fi network. Once paired, adjust tilt and digital framing in the app, configure activity zones and notification preferences, and save settings. If video or alerts fail, try power cycle, move router closer, or check anchor tightness. One simple reset often resolves connectivity problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.